Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the GoDaddy website builder. Specifically, I'm going to answer a question I get asked a lot in my other videos. How do you add HTML into your GoDaddy website builder? Alright, let's dive into it. I've already logged into my GoDaddy website builder and here's my website. First thing you need to do is pick the page you want to work on. For this example, I use this one. Now that you've selected your page, head over to the right-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see a purple Add Section button. Click on that and you'll be asked to choose a spot for your HTML code. I'll be placing mine here. Click on that and then select HTML. A box will pop up and you'll want to click Add to insert the HTML section into your page. You'll now see an HTML box where you can enter your code. Click inside the box and paste your custom code. You can edit this however you want, of course, depending on the HTML you need to add. Once the code is in there, you can center it, and if it's a visual code, just click on the center align button down at the bottom, and it'll position it in the middle of your page. When you're done, hit done, and you're good to go. Just remember the HTML code won't appear on your site until you publish it. To publish it, just click on Publish in the top right corner. It'll let you know that your HTML code is now live on the site. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.